Welcome to TUTS Plus. My name is Jose Mata, and in this course we'll learn all about Linux, how to set up a development environment for the first time. This course is particularly useful for those who are interested in venturing into the Linux world. If most of your experience is based off Windows or Mac OS X, then this is the right course for you. We'll learn all about this little penguin here. This is the official logo for Linux and is actually inspired by its creator, Linus Torvalds. This penguin is very friendly to everyone who embraces Linux, and he invites you to this wonderful platform. This course will go around all of the necessary knowledge that you need to learn in order to get comfortable with a standard Linux machine and start developing with it. With that said, let's go through the agenda and see what we'll cover. First and foremost, we'll go over installation notes. We're going to use VirtualBox for this one, but the process of installing Linux in your physical machine is just as easy. We just have a middleman so that we can try Linux first before jumping right in 100%. After installing Linux, we're going to understand the basic concepts behind it, how it works, what applications we can use, how it integrates with other systems, and how we can use Linux in order to do our work. After all, this is all about setting a development environment. We are here to perform well on our jobs, and if Linux can help us do so, then the better off you will be. So after understanding the very Linux basics, we're going to cover some typical web development setups, namely for 3 different programming languages: Ruby, JavaScript, and PHP. We are going to cover some tools that you might find very useful for these different environments. After learning about these different development setups, we're going to explore some ways of maintaining our Linux desktop experience. Not everything goes well, of course, and Linux is no exception, but we can learn some different ways of keeping it as clean as possible. We will learn some tools that will help us with that. We'll finish up with a simple review of what we learned and how we can do further along in our experience. So let's get started. I hope you're excited about learning about Linux. I've been using it for several years now, and I must say that it is the best experience that I ever had. Join me in the next lesson. I'll see you soon.